Only if you make yourself available to it, can grace do something that you yourself could never do. Well, if we see ourselves as two-legged creatures, well, with a certain amount of intelligence, of course, but still, what we can do with our strength, our intelligence, our knowledge is very limited. If you open the window of grace, then in your life will happen in ways that you have not imagined possible. How do I do this is always the question. It's not something that you do, it is something that you don't do in the sense. If you leave a certain space within you where your thought, your emotion, your ideas, your philosophies, your ideologies, your prejudices don't enter, then grace will be a torrential force in your life. If you're full of your own stuff, then grace floats around you. This is the tragedy of most human life, that a tremendous possibility hangs around them all the time, but they will never allow it to happen. The idea and the focus and the methodology of all spiritual process is just this, to wear down your persona so that there's an empty presence within you which will become a doorway to grace and possibilities that you yourself could never imagine possible.